telling a funny story yesterday, Daniel?
I do.
Okay, so we're sitting at the table, and I just got this belt buckle. See how it only has two little things and a big gut like mine, pop these things out. So as soon as they said Premier Ford come up, bang, my belt buckle fell off. And that was it. I was doing, actually,
So he had a choice of whether to put it back on or just whip the belt right off. And he whipped the belt off, and I was saying to Scott, if his pants fall down during this
I'll tell you,
stage.
that would not be good. I don't have a body like Arnold Schwarzenegger, but we do.
Was it nice?
I had it ready the first one. Yeah, what you just call it. There we go. There we go. It's crazy thing. That's beautiful. Yeah. Oh, this is beautiful.
Fantastic.